fully charged, 6 ampere hour, 54 volts, and with DeWALT brushless saw. This one. So we will compare how strong is the battery. 6 amp, start. 1, 2, 3, go. Not bad, but we can try better one. So now 9 ampere hour battery. So next cut. And here we go. Not bad, but one stop. And now this beast, this is big boy, 15 ampere hour battery. This is biggest DeWALT. So also everyone was fully charged. So and here we go. Not bad, but one stop. I can't say this is more powerful, but a little bit maybe. So that was all for today. Till the next one. Bye.